CEO wa NZAMA ya kuandika Alimu ova Kenya TSC Nancy MACHARIA NIWAWETA kana MUVIA wa KISOMO NIWIKUMBILITWE UVUNGULU wa Alimu KUMANA na KUKOSEKANA kwa ILOVIA kuma SILIKALINI NENE AIWETA kana MWAKA NIMANANDIKIE ALIMU VAKUVI NGILI 56 INDI MAINAAUSUSYA YANYA YITHIITWE AINENE musini wa Mombasa kavindane kala wabingu wa container ya mutiani wa KCSE subcounty ya MVITA MACHARIA NIWAWETA kana Alimu ala methi na UVUNGULU muno ni mama somo mandini Angelina.
Kwiana na CEO wa NZAMA ya kuandika Alimu Nancy MACHARIA ni kana ni vethi na UVUNGULU wa Alimu ni kumana na kukosekana kwa ILOVIA sia Kwiana kuma SILIKALINI NENE kutoise wasani wa Alimu meanu.
A developing country and resources are limited, but you have seen this government has really tried. For this year alone we have recruited 56,000 teachers. And this is to make sure that the transition for junior secondary is on course and everything. It is true that we have advertised in some places. Maybe that's what the president was referring to. But we have not yet filled those vacancies.
Ainene musini wa Mombasa kavindane kala wavingwa container ya mutiani wa KCSE subcounty ya MVITA MACHARIA NIWAWETA kana Alimu ala methi na UVUNGULU muno ni masomo make Ndini.
No, we recruit them. If we recruit all teachers, IRA, CRA, anything. I think the only thing that you realize that we don't have enough teachers. So say for example, coast needs say 60, and that's just an example, 60 IRA teachers, 50 physics teachers, and so on and so forth. You have to balance because these students need all these teachers. So it is true, we have a deficit not only in IRA. And it's not that we don't have teachers out there. It is the limited resources we were given. If TSC was given money, we would recruit all those teachers. But it's a balancing act. All teachers are needed in the school. So you give a few IRA, a few mathematics, and so on, until we can get enough resources to recruit all teachers in our schools.
Wanavyovo kuatiana na mutiani wa KCSE NIWAWETA kana SILIKALINI ikiita mawala nyume mwanya kuikithia sioni ile ikunikite nimbua manyuani makwata mitiani kavindane kala kaidite.
As we are prepared, the government is prepared. As we have said every year, we work as a multi-agency team. So even in those areas that are not very, because of the rains and so on, the government is ready. We have copters ready to airlift these exams and so on. And I don't think there are so many in the country, but where we have such hiccups, we're ready. We're ready. The government is ready.
Enginu kuatakana mwamula ula umetuni NZAMA ya TSC ni kuikithia kana Alimu anene maskulu sia secondary ni mamonga mea metiani
The directive that the TSC has given, and this is in compliance with what is in the regulation for NEC, is that only secondary school teachers will be expected to invigilate KCSE exams and not primary. The primary school ones, they invigilated KISOMO and KCP. So for these ones, we need only secondary school teachers to be the invigilators, to be the center managers, to be the supervisors, and finally the examiners. I said there are 101, 376 teachers.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itawa Angelina Mose.